Hello guys, my name is Madhur and welcome to my channel. This is the 43rd tutorial in the series of tutorials on Unix shell scripting. In this tutorial, we're going to check out a command and it's called grep. And grep is a pretty important command and I'm surprised why I didn't discuss it with you in the first 15 tutorials in this course, that is before we started our discussion on shell scripting, because it's a command that deserves a special mention. It's pretty amazing and shell programmers use it so much that once you learn shell scripting you will be relying on grep for a lot of things. So let's not waste any time. For the sake of this tutorial, what I've done is I have created a text file called text_file and I've saved it in my home folder, and this file has the lyrics of the song Money by Pink Floyd. Now in case you haven't heard the song, I would suggest you guys to do that because it's a pretty amazing song. It's one of my favorite songs, and Pink Floyd is my favorite band. So if you guys haven't heard it, check it out. But that's not important for this tutorial, so you can put that on hold for the time being. So anyway, grep, we use grep to search for patterns in text files, right? So what I mean by that is, if suppose I want to look for a word or a few words in this text file, what I would do in text editor like Microsoft Word, or even if I have a PDF document that's made of text, what I would do is I would type in press Control F, and then I would search for my word. But if you want to do that through the terminal, then what you would have to do is you would have to use the command grep, and that is grep, and it actually has a full form. I guess it's called globally search a regular expression and print it, or gradually search a regular expression and print it. I don't know what the full form is. Maybe you guys can Google it and let me know what it is, but that's not important. What is important is that we should know how to use it. So anyway, you have to type in grep and then follow it up with a space, and then type in the word or words that you want to search. And if you want to search more than one words, then you would obviously have to put them within double quotes. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just search for the word money in my file text_file. And when I press the enter key, you see that nothing gets displayed, and that's because in my text file there is no line in which you have the word money, just the way as I have typed it in my command. I have used all lowercase letters, and you would see that in my text file, wherever money appears, at least the first alphabet, that is M of money, is in capital case, right? So the way I would get around that problem is by using grep with the option -I, and -I tells grep to become case insensitive, that is ignore case. And if you have money in your text file, no matter how you have it, whether you have it in all lowercase letters or all uppercase letters, it doesn't matter how you have it, just display the result to me, right? So if I would now press the enter key, you would see that all the lines in which I have the word money are being displayed, right? And if I would also want to know the line numbers of these lines, then I would have to use the option -N along with -I, right? So now you see that line numbers are also being displayed, and you can match these line numbers to the line numbers that your text editor is showing you. Like for example, I have one on line 1 I have money getaway, and if I show you guys the file in my text editor, you would see that on line 1 you have money getaway, right? So I mean, there are just 6 lines. It's hard for me to believe that there are just 6 lines in the text file, which has 52 lines in total, in which there is the word money. And it's surprising because the song itself is called Money. So anyway, those are the two important options with grep. And the third option that we're going to check out is the -C option. And -C option is used to not display the lines, but just to have a count of the lines that contain the keyword or the pattern that you're searching, right? So if I would, let me first clear the screen. So if I would use -C option here along with the options -I and -N and press the enter key, you would see that I get 6 as the output, and that's because there are 6 lines in the text file that have the word money. And the last option that we're going to check out for grep in this tutorial is the -V option. And -V basically tells grep to reverse the match. That is, consider only those lines for output that do not have the word money, right? So if I don't use the -V option, then the lines that have the pattern that I'm searching are displayed. But if I use the -V option, then all the lines that do not have the pattern are displayed. So let me show you guys what happens when I use the -b option with -c, -i, and -n. You see that 46 is being displayed, and that means that there are 46 lines in my files that do not have the word money. And if I would use -v without the option -i and sorry -n and -c, then you would see that all the lines that do not have the word money are being displayed. So there you go. As you people must have noticed, grep is a pretty powerful command, and it comes with loads of other options. And if you people want to explore grep in greater detail, what you guys can do is you can now view the man page of grep, and that you can do by typing in man space grep in your terminal, and there you go. You would see the man page, and there are so many other options. You can check out the version of grep, and then you can check out what the -y option does, or the -C option does. So there are loads of options that you can check out, and you guys can have a little bit of fun with grep. It will certainly help, because in this course we will be using grep for so many things, and for sure. So that's it for now. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial, and I can assure you that it will be important and interesting, as it always is. Thank you so much for watching this one, and please subscribe to my channel.